What's good with y'all? Hey, today I'm gonna be bringing you guys through a full little vlog type thing. Today we're gonna be going to a Martin Luther King parade, supposed to be on one of these floats, and then supposed to be doing leg day today. So I'll bring you guys through my little leg day, what we got going on with that, my little pre-workout vibe I got going on here. So you know we gotta have the Alani on deck. That's mandatory. Come on now, got the little watermelon flavor, and we got a little banana. But yeah, y'all, we are in the whip now. Left the car warm up a little bit, and then we're gonna go ahead and head over there. Like it's like 30 degrees out here, which is crazy cold. Write it down. Like you gotta make sure you write it down in stone. Write it down so every day you wake up, you look at what you gotta be doing every day. Like what are you working towards, right? So figure out what you wanna do, write it down so you can have it physically on copy, on paper, and then start actually doing the things, the actions that actually get you there, right? All work is profit.
Ain't no school for this shit. You gotta be smart enough to pick up the information as you go. Niggas say I'm crazy, I be thinking, yep. I was crazy enough to believe what the fuck I was saying gonna happen was gonna happen.
In the city with it. Y'all see the vibes. All right, y'all, so we done made it to the city. We are like 3 minutes from the parking right now, so we're trying to find some parking. Hopefully I can find some in this city, because this city get crazy trying to find some parking somewhere. Like that boy over there in the cut, you know what I mean? In the Houston weather, it's 25 degrees. I ain't gonna lie, y'all can't even feel my toes right now, but hey, it's all good. We're gonna make it happen when we gotta make it happen. Y'all see we got this scarf on right now, man. Hey, we're about to get this parade started. Boy, it is cold, boy. Not gonna lie. How long does it take for them to develop?
Like 10 minutes.
Damn, it take a little minute.
Probably like 5 to 10.
5 to 10 minutes. Yeah. Y'all can see my oh shoot, they starting to move, y'all. All right, everybody get right. Oh, I gotta give her a scarf back. We just finished up with the parade. It was a good turnout, not gonna lie. But we about to go get a little workout in. Show y'all the full-fledged dumb leg workout we about to do. Straight from the parade, straight to the gym. Y'all see where we at with it, man. All right, so we gonna hit this leg day today. Bring y'all along the little session that we got going on today. This is actually the location downtown. It's pretty smooth, I like it. This is like the main location that most people go to, the EOS location. It looks like a little spaceship for real. Crazy. Yeah, I lost my pump, man. Like, I was long, I lost it, you know what I'm saying? Once you in a groove, you know what I'm saying? I can even, you know what I mean? Yeah, I usually hit this like 5 or 6, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Give somebody some word of advice, my guy. Like, what would you say to somebody?
So workout advice?
Any advice, bro. Like, life, anything. Like, on top of your head, what can you tell somebody? You know what I'm saying?
So, I mean, something I was thinking about earlier, bro, is life is all about perspective. I mean, that's so cliche, bro, but I think your perspective matters a lot, bro. Like I don't know how you see things, bro, that's all that matters, bro. Like,
Yeah.
how other people may see situations, that doesn't really matter for you, for the purpose of bettering yourself, your life, like, other people's perspective, it's kind of irrelevant almost, bro.
Yeah, so all about like your perspective, you know what I'm saying? Like how you view things in your life.
Yeah.
Respect
That's
that,
something
bro.
I was just thinking about like today. That's off the top, like that's what I was thinking about today,
Yeah.
like this morning. Like, your perspective.
Perspective, hey. Perspective's all it is, man. You see we in here right now, man, working on ourselves, you know what I'm saying, every day, getting better. Hey, I'm gonna put your Instagram in the bio if y'all wanna go check my boy out, go check him out. You know what I'm saying? He got some content too, so hey, get at him, you know what I mean? No, this the 15. Yeah, that joint it's crispy. I'll say, bro, I was gonna get a big camera, but I'm like, man, we gonna use what we got. Perspective, you know what I'm saying? Like, perspective, dog. Yeah.
That shit ain't no average.
Bro, where I park at, dog? But yeah, bro, it's all about like keeping that word with yourself, building the confidence within yourself, saying you're gonna do something, you do it. You need to go eat something for real. Back at the crib, so let me show you what we got. Oh no, that's not the right thing. Hold on, one second. This right here actually is what I'm looking for. Ooh, look at that. That right there is prime chicken rice with some cheese on there with some barbecue sauce. Right now we out here getting gas for the whip, cause that joint got no gas. I actually need to clean this car for real. I ain't cleaned it in a little minute. I'm not even exaggerating. It's like snowing right now. last little haul, you know what I'm saying? Had to get little groceries. But y'all, look at this. Bro, look at this, y'all. It's literally snowing outside in Texas right now. This is crazy. Look at my car, bro. Bro, look at my car. Bro. Be for real right now, dog. Yeah, let's go ahead and get home before we start slipping and sliding, cause we ain't got time for that, dog. Woo, jeez. Hey. Nah, y'all, I ain't gonna lie, bro. It is snowing like crazy. It's snowed out. Next day, y'all. Yep, I'm him. No, gonna get this workout in regardless. But nah, it's not driving the whip, bro. It is slippery, and you're not about to catch me out here drifting across the street in the ditch and stuff. Nah. She'll need to warm up, I ain't gonna lie. I'm cold, man.
Day.
Who's got you talked into doing what you're doing? Who's got you talked into your present plan? See, 10 years from now, you will surely arrive. The question is, where?
Purchase your tracks today.
That's that work, y'all. We in the crib gym today, but cause it's snowing. But hey, we still in here. Still putting in that work. It's required every day, no matter what. Gotta get that work in, man. This is how you get results. It's by doing what you gotta do, no matter how you feel, no matter the environment that's going on outside of you. Whatever's going on, you gotta keep the commitment with yourself, no matter what. You gotta keep that commitment with yourself. So we got ourselves in here today. It's cold, but now we warmed up. You know, we getting to it. So Time to get in here, boy.